If you are looking for a doctor and a system that pays attention to your personal needs, that is what we get. This is no longer the big system approach. This is a clinic that is focused on you and your needs. And for us, it's just been a game changer, and I can't imagine giving it up. Since 2012, I have suffered from chronic back pain. I think I've been every doctor's guinea pig. I was always their mystery client, don't know what's wrong with you. So I tried almost every modality from acupuncture and acupressure to chiropractic to decompression therapy. I mean, I went through everything. So when my wife discovered Dr. Cashio, we fell in love immediately. We could get this concierge in-person care with somebody who truly wanted to know who we were and cared about us. So I'm getting higher quality care and more immediate attention to my needs, even if it's just me freaking out. Since working with Code 1, I got the sufficient medical treatment that I needed to help my back heal and get me through hard times. Between the medical attention that he gave me and doing the cold plunges, I not only healed, I was able to actually go back to the gym and become a bodybuilder. I've hit new records where doctors told me you'll never lift weights again.